December 30th, 2025 marks a turning point in technology history. On this day, the world witnessed a partnership that could redefine the boundaries of artificial intelligence and reshape the global tech landscape for years to come. SoftBank Group, the Japanese investment giant known for its bold bets on technology, has just finalized a monumental $40 billion investment in OpenAI, the leading force in artificial intelligence innovation. This isn't just a financial deal. It's a bold declaration about the future of artificial intelligence. The sheer scale of this investment signals a new era, where collaboration between financial powerhouses and AI pioneers becomes essential for progress. OpenAI, once a non-profit lab, is now the world's most influential AI company, behind revolutionary tools like ChatGPT and Sora. Its technologies have already transformed how people interact with machines, and its ambitions are only growing. The partnership fuses SoftBank's vast financial resources and global reach with OpenAI's cutting-edge research and visionary leadership, aiming to accelerate AI development at an unprecedented scale. Together, they hope to push the boundaries of what's possible in machine learning, robotics, and digital intelligence. This deal signals that AI is now the foundation for all future innovation. From healthcare and education to finance and entertainment, artificial intelligence is set to become the backbone of every major industry. The scale of investment highlights a simple truth: building advanced AI demands resources on a planetary scale. It requires not just money, but also talent, infrastructure, and a shared vision for the future. With SoftBank's backing, OpenAI now has the stability and firepower to pursue its most ambitious goals. This partnership gives them the freedom to innovate, experiment, and take risks that could change the world. The race toward advanced AI is no longer limited by resources, but only by human ingenuity. As these two giants join forces, the world watches with anticipation, eager to see what the future of artificial intelligence will bring. The structure of SoftBank's $40 billion investment reveals a deep strategic commitment to OpenAI's vision. Rather than a lump sum, the funding was delivered in carefully timed stages throughout 2025. The first tranche brought in a consortium of investors for $10 billion, spreading risk and building a coalition of support. SoftBank then directly invested nearly $8 billion, signaling Masayoshi Son's personal confidence in OpenAI. The final, largest payment, over $22 billion, was contingent on OpenAI's restructuring as a public benefit corporation. This phased approach gave SoftBank flexibility and ensured OpenAI hit key milestones. For OpenAI, it meant a steady stream of capital to fund long-term projects without constant fundraising. Now, OpenAI can focus entirely on building the future of intelligence, fully backed by SoftBank. 2025 is the year AI became the undisputed center of the tech universe. In just a few short years, artificial intelligence has moved from the fringes of innovation to the very core of how we live, work, and connect. The world is witnessing a seismic shift, as intelligence, once a uniquely human trait, becomes the most valuable resource on the planet. The new gold rush is for intelligence itself, not minerals or oil. Today, the most sought-after commodity isn't something you can dig from the earth, but something you can build in code and silicon. The smartest algorithms, the most advanced models, these are the treasures everyone is chasing. Companies and governments are investing billions, convinced AI will drive the next wave of economic growth. From Silicon Valley to Shanghai, boardrooms and parliaments are abuzz with strategies to harness AI's potential, knowing that those who lead in intelligence will shape the future. This isn't hype. AI is already transforming industries, creating efficiencies once thought impossible. In factories, robots powered by AI are revolutionizing manufacturing. In hospitals, doctors are diagnosing diseases faster and more accurately with the help of intelligent systems. Every sector is being reimagined. The race is fueled by network effects. The best models attract the most users and data, making them even stronger. As more people use these systems, they learn and improve at an exponential rate, creating a feedback loop that's hard to break. OpenAI is at the heart of this, catalyzing a wave of investment and becoming a pillar for giants like Microsoft. Their breakthroughs are setting the pace for the entire industry, inspiring startups and established players alike to push the boundaries of what's possible. The competition is now about who can build the biggest, most powerful AI infrastructure. Data centers are expanding at unprecedented rates, and the demand for computing power is reshaping the global tech landscape. SoftBank's $40 billion bet is a recognition that winning in AI requires both brilliant ideas and massive capital. It's not just about having the smartest minds, but also the deepest pockets to fund the race for dominance. The future belongs to those who can turn intelligence into a global reality. As nations and corporations compete, the stakes have never been higher. In this new era, the true winners will be those who can harness the power of AI to solve humanity's biggest challenges and unlock opportunities we've only begun to imagine. A major portion of SoftBank's investment is fueling Stargate, a visionary project to build some of the world's largest and most advanced data centers, designed specifically for OpenAI's next-generation artificial intelligence. These facilities are not just about scale. They represent a leap forward in how we think about the digital infrastructure that will power tomorrow's breakthroughs. Stargate aims to deploy an astonishing 10 gigawatts of computing capacity in the US by 2029, enough energy to power several entire cities or millions of homes. This unprecedented scale is necessary to meet the growing demands of AI, which requires vast amounts of computational power to train and run ever more sophisticated models. This highlights AI's enormous appetite for both energy and infrastructure. As AI models become more complex, the need for robust, efficient, and sustainable data centers becomes even more critical. The future of innovation depends on our ability to build and maintain these digital powerhouses. To make Stargate a reality, OpenAI and SoftBank are joining forces with industry leaders like Oracle, Vantage Data Centers, and SB Energy. This collaboration brings together expertise in cloud computing, infrastructure, and renewable energy, creating a powerful alliance to tackle the challenges ahead. The goal is ambitious: to power these massive data centers entirely with renewable energy, such as solar and wind. By doing so, Stargate aims to align the rapid progress of AI with a commitment to sustainability, ensuring that technological advancement does not come at the expense of our planet. Stargate is more than just infrastructure. It's the essential foundation for the next wave of AI models that could revolutionize fields like science, materials engineering, and healthcare. Some experts believe these advances could even bring us closer to achieving artificial general intelligence, fundamentally changing how we live and work. By funding Stargate, SoftBank is investing in the digital fabric needed for tomorrow's intelligence. This is not just a financial commitment, but a strategic move to shape the future of technology and society. The future of AI depends on building the physical world to support it. Every server rack, every cooling system, and every renewable energy source is a step toward a smarter, more connected world. This is a long-term bet on the infrastructure behind the intelligence, a bold investment in the unseen backbone that will enable the next era of AI-driven discovery and progress. SoftBank's $40 billion is just one part of a larger trend. OpenAI has become a magnet for the world's biggest investors. Microsoft, with a 27.5% stake, has deeply integrated OpenAI's models into its products, giving both companies a competitive edge. Amazon is reportedly considering a $10 billion investment, which would further expand OpenAI's reach through AWS. Disney's $1 billion deal to license Sora technology shows AI's growing impact on entertainment and media. These investments have driven OpenAI's valuation from $300 billion in March to $500 billion by October 2025. OpenAI is now a global tech titan, supported by a powerful consortium betting on its success. The company's influence is reshaping the entire technology landscape. SoftBank's $40 billion investment is the centerpiece of a sweeping strategy to dominate the AI era. Masayoshi Son is repositioning his empire, selling stakes in Nvidia and T-Mobile, and leveraging ARM holdings to fund this vision. The strategy: move from enabling AI to owning the intelligence itself. SoftBank's acquisition of DigitalBridge, a leader in digital infrastructure, is a direct play to control the physical backbone of AI. By combining stakes in OpenAI, ARM, and DigitalBridge, SoftBank is building a vertically integrated AI ecosystem. This approach aims to capture value at every level, from chips to data centers to intelligence. SoftBank isn't just investing in a company, it's building the entire railroad for the AI revolution. The AI revolution is as much about infrastructure as algorithms. Data centers are the physical brains powering today's AI breakthroughs. As AI's computational demands soar, data centers have become a critical, scarce resource. SoftBank's acquisition of DigitalBridge gives it direct control over the infrastructure OpenAI needs to thrive. The new arms race isn't just about data or algorithms, it's about who controls the most computing power and energy. Building data centers is complex and capital-intensive, but those who control them will have a decisive advantage. SoftBank's investments create a closed loop. ARM designs chips, DigitalBridge builds data centers, SB Energy powers them, and OpenAI develops the AI. This integrated strategy sets SoftBank apart. It's not just betting on AI, but building the entire ecosystem. The future of intelligence depends on the infrastructure beneath it. With $40 billion in new capital and a soaring valuation, OpenAI is entering its most ambitious phase yet. The focus: build out Stargate, develop next-gen AI models, and accelerate the path to safe, beneficial artificial general intelligence. OpenAI's restructuring into a public benefit corporation was key to securing this investment, balancing profit with its mission. An IPO could be on the horizon as early as 2027, with some projecting $1 trillion valuation. As OpenAI grows, scrutiny over its ethics and societal impact will intensify. The challenge: scale technology and business while upholding its promise to benefit humanity. The next few years will determine if OpenAI can lead the AI revolution responsibly. This $40 billion investment isn't just a headline, it will reshape daily life for everyone. AI will become a true partner, tutoring children, helping doctors, and powering creative tools that were once unimaginable. Work will change, with AI handling tedious tasks and freeing people for more creative pursuits. But rapid progress brings challenges: job displacement, fairness, privacy, and environmental impact. Public engagement is crucial to ensure AI reflects our values. SoftBank's bet is a declaration: the AI era is here, and it will be as transformative as the internet or smartphone. The tools, entertainment, and solutions of tomorrow will be powered by this wave of innovation. Understanding and shaping this shift is essential for a future that benefits us all.